Hello guys, I'm playing today. I'll be playing Magikarp Jump. As you can see, I've already played it a little bit. I completed the first league. You unlock Pikachu. So what this game is about? You have to feed your Magikarp to upgrade his jump power, and you have to make him jump, and you have to complete 8 leagues to win the game. And I hate ads. Why did Ben visit it? I hate ads. This is why I hate doing. This is why I hate ads. Alright. There we go. Alright. See, Magikarp is eating. His jump power is upgrading. My trainer is already at rank 2. My Magikarp is getting bigger. Alright then. So, what Pikachu does if I see this mark above his head, he can help my Magikarp grow. See? Ah! Thank you. Stomp on the ads, guys. And jump back in. Hey, look, a Pokeball. And I got Sunken Treasure. Yay, alright. Now, there's also training. I've already used one of the points. Hey, what's this? I didn't see this. Alright. So I'm playing on TV. You want to check it out? You'll be transferred to an external site. I guess and this happens. Of course it does. I want to watch whatever this is. Yep, it's just an ad. No, I don't want to watch. Eat. Alright, I'm gonna go do some training. I've only got 2 points left. Train. I'm gonna train my Magikarp. Alright, which training will it be today? Again! I always get this one. Alright. Let's go, Magikarp. Off we go to do some training. Jump, Magikarp, jump! Jump! 100. Alright. Good effort. Yay! Off we go. Ooh, more food. My Magikarp is leveled up. A gold Pokeball. 12 points. Holy crap, look at my Magikarp. It's grown. Hey, look, what's this? There are lots of random encounters waiting for you. Whether they look good or bad, that's where the random part comes in. Pikachu, stop moving! Pikachu, stop it! Hello, Pikachu. Hey, jumping. He likes to jump. Watch this. That's what he does in the water, but when he goes out of the water, he jumps. Alright, this is the second league. Off we go! On the yellow big brick road we go. Also, you can't customize your character. Holy crap! The first league was like 6 levels. Actually, probably 4. Look at this. Holy crap, man. Alright, battle number 1. Fight! My Magikarp is so much bigger. But what I've learned is that the bigger they are, the better they're gonna be. Here we go. Hey, look at Pikachu. Pika. Alright, let's go. Magikarp! Jump! What? Pikachu is healing for you. So that means I get more. I get more jump power if he cheers. Here's a really good through Magikarp. Support Pokemon make him cheer on your Magikarp and boost its JP, aka jump power. Don't miss these chances for victory. Magikarp, jump! And they're up! Oh my god, he got wrecked. You got wrecked. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, woohoo! Alright, Magikarp. Alright, here you are. Looks like you're doing a fine job raising that Magikarp of yours. I know you're really wishing you could could do even more to help it grow. Then how about this? For my own days as a top-notch Magikarp trainer, I'll show you what my old pond used to look like. Holy crap, you got a Pikachu, whatever though. I don't really play Pokemon that much. Whoever the cat thing and the round thing is, and Snorlax. The mayor's old... Jesus! You can use friendship items to have other Pokemon lend you and your Magikarp a hand. And decorations do a fine job of sprucing up the old pond. But that's not all. Therefore, they help your Magikarp grow faster too. Here, I'll part with one of my old decorations just for you, kid. Important sign. All right then, you get your reward. Max food number +1. You can check out other decorations at the diamond shop in town. I've got high ropes for you, my friend. Get out there and make a big splash. Off we go on the yellow brick road. Thank you, God. Yay, I'm gonna go home. I want to unlock you. I want to unlock the water Pokemon. I want to go home. Thank you. You can place decorations around your Magikarp's home. It's like decoration menu. Ooh, there's achievements. Clean. Alright. Decorate. Tap a red circle to choose or change the decoration to be placed here. Yes. Alright. Yay! No fishing. No fishing for my Magikarp in this pond. Holy crap, that's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. I think I got an achievement. I got 2 achievements. I can get my reward here. Oh, I thought I'd get diamonds. Because that's what most things have. Is there anything else? Ooh. I think that's it. I'm gonna go here to the town. See? You just buy stuff. You buy food. You can get new foods from the coin shop or boost their rank to help Magikarp grow quicker. I thought I alright. Alright. That's gonna be the sound I'm gonna make every single time I play this game. Get new requirements that may randomly select. Can't upgrade anything there. Friendship items. Hey, Louis, Charged. Friendship items get more Pokemon on their side to help Magikarp grow faster, thanks to their handy skills. Get plenty of Pokemon on your side and help raise your Magikarp. Candy. I can get... What? Oh, alright. I can get Charizard for 600 diamonds! 600. 600! Alright, I'm going crazy. Alright, off we go. Another tournament. We're both the same size. off we go. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Magikarp, jump up. Pikachu. Here! Magikarp, jump! And the rock. Oh, you got wrecked, sucker. Yahoo! Yahoo! Alright, I win. Alright. So that's gonna be the end for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Everyone, goodbye. See you guys later. Goodbye. Yeah.